Can we play one game related to everyone there?
Oh,
मैं लोगों का नाम लूंगा, आप उनकी 3 layers deep बेस्ट क्वालिटी बताइए, क्योंकि जब आप किसी के साथ एक्ट करते हो उनके कैरेक्टर के बारे में भी चीजें पता चलती है.
right.
ओके,
Hmm.
जूनियर एनटीआर.
DNA में is a terrific actor. Terrific actor मतलब कि there's some people who are great actors and some people are born actors. I think he has that. He's a born star.
अल्लू अर्जुन.
But he's my most favorite person. You know, his quality is that he reads people very well. And he's extremely ambitious. So he's obviously a talented actor and all of that. Great dancer. अभी मैं किसी को ये categories में डालूंगी नहीं because they are all great dancers and all great actors, right? But Allu Arjun has this ability to read people's minds, to basically get the vibe really well. And he is a dreamer. He's very ambitious. And which is great.
उनके साथ हैंग आउट करना कैसा रहता?
He is hilarious. He is, I think, like I said, we keep joking on social media, my fave, both of us, because I'm very fond of him. He's the way he's with his family, the way he's with Sneha, and just the person that he is. He's super funny.
रामचंद्र sir.
Charan is, again, क्या ही बोलूं, मतलब this DNA of each one of them is like rooted with, like it's bubbling with talent. Great dancer, again, great dancer, great person. He's also very bratty with his friends in a good way, which is the energy that he is. Like, he's like real. Charan is a very real person. Like, you know, you can actually have fun conversations with him. He's naughty. He's, besides being the star that he is extremely talented dancer. What a dancer. Effortless. I used to always have, like, I would be scared to match steps with whether it was NTR or Charan or Allu Arjun because they're such good dancers. They don't need rehearsal. They just move like that, you know.
Ravi Teja sir.
Oh, wow. He's his comic timing. You've done a podcast with him, so you'll know he's very funny. And he's ekdam dilkhush.
Direct again.
Direct. Full direct.
Okay. अब महेश बाबू.
Very hardworking, I'd say. Very hardworking. Again, comes from a lineage of, you know, such great cinema. His father was a big star. Very hardworking. Very family oriented. Yeah.
I'm enjoying this podcast a lot.
Oh, wow.
क्योंकि आपने लाइफ देखी हुई है and you still have a very positive outlook on life.
Oh, wow.
So
Thank you.
multiple reasons like military upbringing plus मैं इस इंडस्ट्री को जानता हूँ. आई हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ वॉट यू मस्ट हैव बिन थ्रू ऑन लाइक मल्टीपल लेवल्स. बहुत कम लोग आपके स्टेज पर पहुँच कर इतने खुश रहते हैं. सो लाइक दैट्स अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ योर ऑब्जर्वेशंस एंड लाइक it's a big part of why I'm enjoying this